Hey guys, so quick video for you. If you're experiencing high ping, one thing you can do, you can restart the router. So power cycle your router by turning it off, waiting 10 seconds and then turning it back on. Also use a stable network, switch from Wi-Fi to wired connection. Ensure your Wi-Fi is on 5 GHz band instead of 2.4 GHz for better speed and stability. And of course, what you can try to do, select the correct server region. And if you are using, you can like close the background applications. So these are the things that you can try to do. Maybe this has something to do with your peak times, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.